You could move to Bowling Green this year and absolutely love it. Or you could move here and realize 6 months later that you picked the wrong neighborhood, underestimated the housing market, or expected something completely different. And here's the hard truth. Most people don't make bad relocation decisions because they bought the wrong house. They make bad relocation decisions because they never really understood the city. So before you spend hundreds of thousands of dollars and completely change your life, let's talk about the truth of moving to Bowling Green in 2026. If we haven't met yet, I'm Nikki Adams, a realtor here in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and I help people relocate from all over the country. One thing I always tell my clients is this: I'm not here to convince you to move to Bowling Green. I'm here to help you decide if it's actually the right fit for you. Because the right city can completely improve your quality of life, but the wrong fit can leave you wondering why you ever moved in the first place. So today, let's have an honest conversation. One thing that surprises almost everyone I meet is how few people knew much about Bowling Green before they actually started researching it. Most people find us because of a new job, Western Kentucky University, the Corvette assembly plant, or they simply start searching for places where their money stretches further. But once they visit, they realize Bowling Green isn't just another small Kentucky town. It's a growing city with a surprisingly diverse economy, expanding neighborhoods, and a lifestyle that's attracting people from all over the country. One of the biggest reasons people move here is simple: quality of life. Life generally moves at a different pace. You're not spending hours every week sitting in traffic. Running errands doesn't feel like an all-day event. Many people find they have more time for family, hobbies, and simply enjoying where they live. And while that may sound like a small thing, it's often the reason people tell me they never want to leave. Now, let's talk about housing. This is usually the first thing relocation buyers want to know. Compared to many larger cities, Bowling Green still offers tremendous value, but I also want to set realistic expectations. This isn't the Bowling Green of 10 or 15 years ago. Home values have appreciated, demand has increased, new construction continues to expand, and desirable neighborhoods remain competitive. The good news is today's market is giving buyers something they haven't had in a while: time. Inventory has improved compared to the frenzy of previous years. That means buyers can often compare homes, negotiate repairs, and make decisions based on information instead of pressure. That's one of the biggest advantages of today's market. Another thing people don't always expect is how much your neighborhood matters here. Living near downtown feels completely different than living in South Warren. The Greenwood area offers a different lifestyle than Rockfield. Some people want sidewalks and subdivisions, others want acreage and quiet country roads. There isn't one best area. There's only the area that's best for you. That's why choosing the right neighborhood is just as important as choosing the right house. One of the most common things I hear is people are actually friendly here. Now, every city has great people and difficult people, but Bowling Green still has a strong sense of community. People wave, neighbors introduce themselves, small businesses appreciate your support. You begin recognizing familiar faces. And for many people moving from larger cities, that feeling of community is something they didn't realize they'd been missing. Now, let's be honest, Bowling Green isn't perfect. Traffic has increased as the city has grown. Some areas are developing faster than others. Home prices aren't as inexpensive as they once were. And depending on what you're looking for, there may be amenities that larger metropolitan areas offer that we simply don't. I think it's important to say that because no city is perfect. The goal is not finding perfection. The goal is finding the place that fits your lifestyle. That's why I encourage every relocation buyer to spend a little time here before making a decision if they can. Drive the neighborhoods, visit local restaurants, explore downtown. The more you experience Bowling Green before buying, the more confident you feel about your decision. At the end of the day, people aren't moving to Bowling Green because it's the cheapest place they can find. They're moving here because it gives them something that's becoming harder to find: more space, more balance, more opportunity, more community, and more for families. That's exactly what they've been searching for. If you're thinking about moving to Bowling Green and you'd like honest advice about neighborhoods, schools, commute times, or the local housing market, I would love to help. No pressure and no sales pitch, just real conversations to help you decide if Bowling Green is the right fit for you. And if you want more videos about buying, selling, or living in Bowling Green, make sure to subscribe. I post new content every week.